High-power variable frequency transformers help us achieve pre-delivery electrical debugging for equipment purchased by users in different countries and regions, enabling electrical testing under different voltages. We truly achieve pre-delivery electrical debugging for each piece of equipment, ensuring that customers receive devices that are ready for immediate use on site. By eliminating the need for on-site wiring by users, we significantly enhance installation efficiency and eliminate equipment damage caused by on-site wiring errors.